Don from Copperfield has a question about flooring upgrade.
Well, he's considering wood, Tom, but
Okay.
Don asks, can you put laminate or wood flooring over tile flooring that's already there? And if so, what's the needed prep? Does he need to put some sort of moisture barrier down or something before he puts the floor?
If you get an engineered wood floor, which would be the way to go, it can go down on the tile. What you need below that is going to be up to the kind of floor you buy. So the manufacturer is going to have recommendations for underlayment maybe. Sometimes the underlayment's already on the bottom of the floor if they're a laminate type floor. So it depends what the manufacturer wants, but they'll probably have to get some of that leveling compound and smooth it out, and make sure it's good and flat. And then you get a floating floor, put it right down on top.
So you can go right over the tile, no big.
Yeah, as long as it's flat.
What do you do when you get to transitions? Like if it's going to a carpet or something, is it going to be kind of a step down or something there?
No, it's usually at a doorway, and you have a little wooden threshold.
Like a little threshold there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
A detail.
Well, there you go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Send us your questions just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom form. Fill it out. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.